You got one life. Confession to make. The thing is that I want to really learn Spanish, but getting used to having a choice, getting used to remote work, to being independent from traffic jams, plus being most effective during morning hours. These two things made me think that, okay, after some short experiment of going to these classes, and having the Spanish classes 5 times a week, I can do it more effectively. One day from this public course to which I'm going will give me like almost 1 week of the effective classes at home. Time will show. I didn't resign from this public course at all, so I got a chance to come back there. I know what I'm missing. I know what methods to use in order to learn. I got tons of materials at home and online that I can use. The thing is that I have to be systematic as with learning code and design. Spanish is important for me, but it's not the priority. The priority right now is learning to code. Everybody has got just one life, and everybody has the same 24 hours. So the thing is how you manage the time. The thing is how you spend it. Self-awareness is cool, and knowing your flows, knowing your energy flows is really important to learn more effectively. And if you don't know your priorities and you take the life as it comes, you don't use it wisely. I prefer being aware, I prefer choosing on my own and conducting some experiments, not being afraid to change the decision and try something new. If it goes with my priorities, if it's okay with what I want to achieve in life. It's Tuesday. I'm researching how to present the design section, and I've discovered that the project that I wanted to show already has some problems. It seems that the API has been changed. This is the minus when designing stuff and implementing the code that's connected with the API that does not belong to you. All of a sudden it can change and you gotta change your code. It's Wednesday. I want to show my design skills in the portfolio, but I'm not sure how to do it. It was the best way, which projects to choose, how to describe them. Some of them I cannot show, and this is the problem. When you have NDA and you did something for a class you're proud of, but you cannot show it. So I'm wondering how to do it and what to show. So no idea right now. Maybe it will come with the day, later during the day, during the meetings. Let's see. I get a meeting in the center. It will be the meeting with another free code camper, but she's from Sevilla and she is on her trip to Malaga. That's why we decided to meet to talk about our code and revise it a bit. And the second meeting that I'm going to have today is with the product designer. I hope to show him also a bit my portfolio and to ask about some advice. The main reason that we are meeting for is to discuss his talk during Front-End Malaga. The meetup is focused on front-end and design, and since he has a lot of experience, I hope he would share it with the rest of the community. Hey, no, 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 hey, no. Wednesday in the evening. I just came back from the 2 meetings that I had. The first one was with Free Code Camper from Sevilla. We were revising our code and we were discussing our design and learning from ourselves. So I got discovered a few things from D3 today and JavaScript. It was really awesome meeting, really productive one. I learned a lot. The second meeting I had, it was really motivating when it comes to the person and the story and his experience. He is the designer with about 20 years of experience, and I really enjoyed this meeting because of many aspects. He motivated me a lot to learn design and to try harder, and this was really, really awesome. And meeting the people who are also doers, meeting the people who have the interesting story to share and who try hard to develop, to live real life and to do a lot of stuff, not just only to spend their life passively. It's really motivating. Visualizing your goals helps, and if you see the people who were on the same path but a few years ago, or who are at the same path right now, it can be motivating, it can be inspiring. You can learn a lot and you can take the energy from it for your fight. One more takeaway: if you're watching this but you're the person with a lot of experience who can share their story, their struggles they had, do not hesitate to share it. You choose the form. It may be the article, it may be the video, it may be the post, whatever you want. Sharing is something awesome. You don't have to do it. Nobody will make you do it, but it can help so many people. Thursday. I won't have too much time today to work on the code itself, but I decided to work on the materials and the content for the design section. And for sure I will be iterating over it and changing the projects, adding the stuff with time. So I will use the time that I have today for creating the content there, for taking out the best example, for recording some movies, for deciding how to tell the story and what to focus on. It's Friday. I'm doing cross-browser testing and checking also the page on various devices. It's Saturday in the evening. This is how the page looks right now. So I introduced smooth scrolling, working on portfolio sections. I introduced also new mock-ups. It's easier to focus on the design right now. The page is available at the one who does right now. I still need to introduce some changes, like add the design items, the design cases I'm working on. I want to correct a bit the routines here. I will also need to run the speed test and optimize the images and generally the CSS, JavaScript and things like that. And what I did this week was testing thoroughly the page and fixing some bugs. This week I also had 2 mega inspiring meetings, and I was revising the code of my previous project, doing some small changes, learning the basic stuff like the beginnings during this meeting of D3 and how I should start with it. Next week I'm going to analyze the state machine and how it works, because it seems to be pretty useful for understanding the states and programming the logic in various apps. I will be also working on the next stage of the design project. So I can't show you that, but it will take me some time. But hopefully I will also learn something new and I will be able to share it with you. Keep on doing and see you next week.